Okay, before I start, I am going to have to say that I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, always be sure to do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Now, the reason I am bringing you this quick update is because we are surging, and we actually are currently above the 200 daily moving average. I'll switch to that in a second to show you. Recently, we surged. Well, we've been in an uptrend for a while now, but this resistance right here, we have been attacking it over and over and over and over again. And if you are well versed in support and resistance, if you keep hitting the support or if you keep hitting the resistance, eventually it is going to give way and break. This resistance currently is in line with the 200 daily moving average. Now, I kind of hope that we don't. I kind of hope that we wait another day or two before we end up breaking, because if we break now, we may end up coming back down to this level to fill a CME futures gap. And yes, I mean, it is actually just a myth, but as far as Bitcoin goes, Bitcoin has filled every single futures gap in its history, except for one that is up at the $11,000 area right now. Now, the futures gap comes from the fact that the CME futures closes on the weekend, so when it opens on the beginning of the next week, like for example, let's say this is a Friday candle and Bitcoin surges, and Monday comes around and Bitcoin's at 9,600. The next candle will start up here and it will leave a gap in price, and so Bitcoin always tends to come back down with its price and fill these gaps, and then it moves on. It's done that, and it's done it all the time in its entire past. And this goes on a subject of self-fulfilling prophecies. This myth has essentially become a self-fulfilling prophecy, since everybody always expects Bitcoin to come down and fill its gaps that it leaves behind. People buy and sell in accordance with that, causing Bitcoin to do exactly that, which becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's actually what the whole market basically is. It's a series of self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay, now back on the subject of this resistance here. We keep attacking it, we're going to break it. There's no doubt in my mind that we are going to break this resistance soon. And I'm really hoping it's not today, but it could be today. Because, I mean, look, Bitcoin has been surging as I've been talking. We're at 9125 right now. So, hold on, let me go to the daily. I'll show you exactly where the 200 daily moving average is in reference to where we are now. And that, yeah, see the candle right here? The 200 daily moving average is this blue area. And right now we are actually currently above it, but I don't see much volume. So this is likely to come back down. So there's probably going to be a wick above this. That's my guess. And then we could, well, I mean, unless a lot of people start coming in and buy. Oh my, yep, yeah, we're surging more. We're up to 9142 now. Okay, well, if people come in and see this and they see we're above the 200 daily moving average, they could start buying in and they could cause the price to surge. So just gonna have to watch closely over the next throughout tonight and tomorrow and see exactly what happens. But my two outcomes that I see are either we break now, come back down, fill the gap, and then continue, or we fall back down now, test, break. That's what I'm seeing. I don't see us really going. I don't really see us coming back down at all. I mean, it's possible, but the more likely scenario is either a break tonight and come back down and then go up, or we come down and test it a few more times and then break. So, yeah. I think that's all I got for you guys. I will see you guys next time.